Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. You do not want to miss this episode. One in a lifetime that this opportunity happens, so you do not want to miss it out. But before I begin this video, I do want to present to you guys to today's sponsor, Simply Carbon Fiber. So Simply Carbon Fiber is going to be for all you carbon fiber addicts that just can't have enough of it. They make sunglasses, they make watches, they make accessories, wallet holders, they make phone cases. I mean, check this out. We got two other products right here. We got the phone case for the carbon fiber. Check this out. It comes in a nice little sleeve. Look at that. It is absolutely flawless and beautiful. And then of course we got their wallet money clip. You can put your credit cards, your debit cards, and it holds money. No way, they actually sent me money. Okay, they didn't send me money, but so if you guys are interested in these carbon fiber goodies, go ahead, check their website out, and do not forget to use code BD10 for 10% off at the checkout. Okay, it's important. Don't forget, it's 10% off. It's a discount. Don't forget to use it. Come on, I'm saving you money. Check their website out. Let's continue on with the video. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Nothing exciting today. I really just wanted to talk to you guys. I got a one big announcement that I want to show you guys. Second thing we should have later on, I think Genzilla, he's gonna bring over his Supra and he's installing an intake, so that should be exciting for you guys. For the overall the video, we're just gonna enjoy, ride the G35. You know, I haven't been doing much about the car lately, and that's what I want to talk to you guys about. So we're gonna hop in the G, head to work, and I'm gonna talk to you guys on the way there. Talk to you what's going on. Oh, I think it's still pretty cold, so I'm not sure if the G35 is gonna crank for the first time. Nope, second time. Third time's a charm, I guess. Hopefully my GoPro doesn't freeze, because recently it's been freezing and the footage just gets deleted, so hopefully that doesn't happen today. I installed an original GoPro battery. Recently I've been using like Amazon knockoffs, so hopefully now everything's established. I updated the GoPro, so hopefully we're good. But anyways guys, you guys know, I mean, it's been pretty quiet around this channel. I haven't bought mods in 6-7 months, so it feels real sad in some way, because I miss buying mods and stuff. And like, dude, like I'm like, what's going on, brother? Almost missed a gear there. So I haven't bought mods, and honestly guys, I've just, is that a police? I don't want that to be a police. Oh my god. That looks like a police. I'm gonna take my camera off. Guess what, brothers? I got pulled over. That's my luck. Man, that sucks. Are you kidding me, guys? Another state ref. That's just ridiculous. You guys will not believe what just happened. I still can't believe this happened, bro. Guys, I just got out of work, but I do want to make it home first. Now my traumatization is back. So let me get home. I will not record any driving footage today, I guess, because I'm a little traumatized. Now, before I go ahead and show you the clip of my encounter with the officer, I tried to turn on my GoPro to record. My GoPro is so trash, bro. I need to buy a new one, so I just disregarded that. Pulled out my phone as soon as possible, and I was gonna put it in a nice spot so I can record, but he came in fast, right? He got off his motorcycle and came to me pretty quick, so I literally only had the chance to press record, and I freaking threw the phone on the ground to get at least the audio, right? So what I'm about to show you is just the audio of me and the officer, and honestly I look like a fool, man. Like, you guys know when somebody lies and they stutter a lot? That was me, bro. You can 100% tell I'm lying. Like, it was so embarrassing for me. My objective wasn't to lie. It's just like, I don't know, I guess I was trying to lie, just because so many officers give me crap, and every time I'm honest with an officer they still get me, so what's the point, right? So I tried to somehow twist it, but obviously it came out so bad. I got nervous, I got scared, this is just embarrassing. But give me some crap down in the comment section below. Here's the clip, and this is what happened.
The reason I pulled you over is a couple reasons. You don't have a front plate.
Oh yeah. Oh, sorry, I have it in the.
Why is your muffler so loud?
Oh, I just I don't know, probably cold in the morning.
Cold in the morning?
Yeah, okay, I'll be honest with you.
Yeah,
I got an exhaust.
Let's try again.
Yeah,
Hi,
yeah.
I'm Officer
Hey,
Jason.
how
Why
you
is your
doing?
muffler so loud?
Oh, I have an exhaust. Sorry.
Do you have cats on there?
I do have. They're resonated.
Do you have catalytic converters on your car, sir?
Not at the moment. Not at the moment.
I know the answer.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I do have front plates. But
well, I mean, we can keep trying. I'll give you another chance.
Okay, fine. Last one.
Okay, hi, I'm Officer Juicy,
Hey,
Second Police
how you
Department.
doing?
Why is your muffler so loud?
I got an exhaust on it.
Did you take off the cats too?
I did take off.
You know that makes a lot of sense. I knew that.
I'm sorry.
Where are you headed to, young man?
I'm headed to work right now. I work at a brokerage.
Brokerage? Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have a driver's license and insurance I can take a look at?
Yeah, of course.
How much money do you have in this car right now?
I'm gonna be honest with you, around 25,000. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I initially got it for college, and it kind of drifted off, and I've been doing my own adventure with it.
I see that.
Yeah, so
a lot of stuff going on. I like it.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Can I look under the hood?
Yeah, of course.
Thank you. How much were the seats?
The seats were, I got sponsored for the seats.
Oh, you got a sponsorship?
Yeah, so I got sponsored.
Dude, that's the way to do a build, right? Just
Yeah.
get some sponsorship stuff.
Exactly. Let me see.
Do you have insurance? I assume you do.
Yeah, let me pull it. It's on my phone. It's
That's okay.
I'm pulling not to strike you or anything. This is for I have to open my hood. It's just my hood flew off twice already, and like
it flew off.
Yeah, because
hey, that's a problem, right?
I know it is a problem. So I have latches on here, and so I forget sometimes.
Oh, days.
So he's talking to me. You can clearly hear that. And then we go check out the hood, and hopefully you guys got to hear a little bit of the audio. We're in front of the car, so the audio is not as good since the phone is in the car. It's not in my pocket. Man, dude, the officer, thank God, bless the Lord, que sepa. The dude turned out to be an absolute angel, bro. He knows about cars. I assume he's a car enthusiast because he told me that his favorite car, I believe it was a 1972 240Z. The guy knows his cars, and I appreciate him so much because everything I've always tried to explain to an officer, like I condone not going to sideshows. I condone that activity. I try to not do this. I don't even go to car meets anymore for that sole reason. I try to explain that to Officer CHP, but obviously that's not gonna convince them, right? They're obviously gonna give you a ticket. And this guy like completely understood. He was just telling me, you know, dude, there's sideshow, and this all happened. I don't know if this all happened, but this last Sunday on a street by where I live, apparently there was a sideshow, literally a takeover on a street by AutoZone. What the hell? I live super close by there, and I didn't hear any cars screeching, so I was shocked, right? But there's been a lot of sideshow activity recently, and I also found out this other page that used to host car meet, they got bought out by a sideshow, so now they run it. So I was like, what the hell, right? Sacramento cops are cracking down more now heavily on loud exhaust here nearby due to just the increase in activity and all that what's going on, right? But luckily, man, this guy understood. He gave me 3 chances. You guys see in the clip, he's like, I'm gonna give you one last chance.
I'll give you another chance.
Yeah, it's all right, come on, let's be honest. So he was a super cool dude. Huge shout out to him. I wish that more officers would do that. He did tell me CHPs will 100% crack you down, and I mean, it's true. My first state ref incident, what do you know, it was a CHP. He cracked me down. I was completely honest with that guy from the get-go. I thought honesty would go a long way. It didn't. He booked me, and I had to turn the car back to stock and whatnot. So at this point, I don't know what to do, because I mean, the car is what it is, right? If I make the car quieter, I'd have to, you know, put some cats on. I'd have to tune the car again. It'd probably be slower, and so the experience wouldn't be there anymore, right? So I'd probably just end up taking off the kit and selling the car, and I don't want to do that because this has been my first car. I really enjoy this car, and it's just been my whole life, basically, the past 3 years. So I don't know what to do at this point. I'm kind of in a pickle right now, because I'm like, what the hell do I do? I love this car. I built this car from the very beginning. Like, I put so much time and energy into this, and just to have, like, and I get it, you know, it's part of the law and whatnot, but you know, it's just one of the situations where it is what it is, and it sucks. Boo-hoo, right? So, man, God bless him. God bless his soul. I mean, this situation was definitely not expected. This is going to be the end of the video. I will bring you guys another video over the weekend about my plans, why I haven't been modding the car, and why I'm saving my money, and all my plans and goals for the channel and whatnot, just so you guys can catch up to date with me and my life and whatnot. So I'll catch you guys next video. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'm not sure if this video is short or not, but hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I'll catch you guys next video. Thank you guys again for all the major support. I know it's been kind of slow around here, but like I said, I will explain that in the next video. I was gonna say it right now, I'll just explain it in the next video, but thank you guys. I'll catch you guys next video, amigos. Peace out and stay safe out there, guys.